Hi, and welcome back to our on-demand videos for From Pipeline to Profit, our transaction management training sessions. My name is CJ, and I'm a training specialist with the Keller Williams Tech Training team. Now, I want to show you a really cool feature within your Opportunities applet that can help you when you're doing listing transactions. Let's check it out. Okay, we can see that we're in our command account and in the Opportunities applet. And I'm in the Details tab here for my opportunity. Now, notice this is a listing transaction. And this feature that I'm going to show you, the seller's worksheet, is intended just for a listing transaction. It won't be with the buyer transaction side of things. So heads up on that. Let's go ahead and scroll to the bottom here. And we can see an area that says Seller Worksheet. Now, what is this? This is going to give your seller more financial information to access when comparing offers. There's a little gray pencil here that you can click on where you can open this up and see that information there. This is going to include commission percentages, seller closing costs, mortgage balances, prorated taxes, prorated HOA dues. So this is really just giving them more financial information when comparing the offers coming in. So after you plug this in, you can click Save, have that available for yourself and for your clients. All right, now you have this awesome tool at your fingertips for yourself and your clients with that seller worksheet. Remember, if you have any questions about this feature, you can always email our tech training team, learncommand@kw.com.